Mr. Vanna White. Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola, and today we're here at Haystack Mountain.
We're starting you off here at the observation center, but we're gonna show you how we got here.
There's an owl in the tree. Probably hard to capture him. Sorry, out of breath, been walking uphill. Nice. And something just caught my eye.
Oh my goodness.
He's watching you. Alright, this is what we've been walking up on. Oh, he's watching still. Let's see. Wait, I lost him here. Oh, because he's blending in. Just want to see if I can get him from here. He's looking right at us.
We really need to start bringing this stuff with us. All right, so we made it up the paved road, and we're going to start on this trail here. You want to get going?
Yeah, let's get going.
Okay. Close at sunset.
That was the warm-up trail.
Oh, that was. I did warm up, but now, yikes. Oh, always muddy.
I found where we're trying to get to. We're almost there. Then up and up and up and up and up the hill. Chris, please cut that out.
Not a chance.
No sign.
After all that.
Mountain. 1,683 feet. Whew.
Think we can go in there?
I don't know. Can we?
I didn't walk over enough to. It looks like we might be able to. You know, I was wondering if it's just open for like us to be able to go in. Can animals go in?
Oh.
Anybody wants to tell us what that says?
There's a jail cell here.
Looks. Yeah, I think that's. I'm not sure. Is that Latin? Ooh, stuff.
There must have been a plaque over. Oh, sorry, the echo. There must have been a plaque over here, but it's no longer there.
Yeah, wow. It's actually doing pretty good with the lighting. It's dark for us, but it's actually.
It's a jail cell.
Really?
Looks like for electricity. Looks like there was a light there.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Wow. That was pretty nuts, huh? Wow, that's a lot nicer than walking at the fire towers.
Yeah.
But this is just as cool.
I feel more protected here. More sturdy.
Yeah, definitely more sturdy. Hope you guys liked that little time lapse. I'm sure it was probably crazy looking. It's gonna walk you around, give you the whole 360 degree. Mostly trees so far. It is snowing. It's snowing right here.
No, but like, it's probably snowing over there.
We didn't tell them it was snowing. Wow, look at the mountains in the distance. That looks beautiful. Look at those mountains out there. I want to go there. Can we go there?
Maybe.
I know, like a little kid.
Don't worry, be happy.
This is probably
Slow
silly.
down.
But there we go. Oh, there's water out there.
Chris,
Yes?
there's some good stuff here. Slow down and enjoy.
Wow, very nice.
Don't worry, be happy.
I like the people that come here.
It's better than some other places living.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's cold.
Not so nice.
Ooh, that breeze. That wind came through here.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little snowflake there. Let me zoom in. Oh, that looks wicked.
Wind's starting to come in.
It's melting. You see it melting.
The snow's coming in.
Found another snowflake. Let's zoom in. Try not to lose focus. I'm gonna put my finger near it and then see if I can get it to melt. I lost the snowflake though. Where is it? I don't see it now in real life, but I see it on camera. Is that weird? I lost it. So we just finished up with the watchtower. Now we're gonna head down a different trail. Maybe it'll be a little bit shorter. Not sure. And maybe less. I'm thinking the way I'm trying to go will avoid the road. I'm winging it.
The road?
I'm winging it.
You mean avoid the easy part of the road?
Yes.
So instead of replacing with something easy, we're replacing with something more difficult?
Yes, sir. That's the way we work it.
We would do the easier first. So what did you think about that?
That was really fun climbing up. I didn't get scared. I did good.
Well, I would hope not. I mean, you were walking upstairs. It was awesome, and like it was great to see the views.
Yes.
And it is nice feeling like comfortable up there and walking through. I think it was funny seeing the snowflakes come through. Like every once in a while, snowflakes would come through the opening.
I did get some shots of the snowflake. There was one where it was melting. Take a look.
And it was just kind of cool. You felt like you were in a castle. I felt like I was in a part of a castle.
It did feel like a castle. I felt like Rapunzel, except I just chopped off all my hair.
I know, it really been before. You really would have been Rapunzel. Is it? Oh my God.
All right, it's getting chilly.
We're on the wrong side of the mountain. Maybe someone's built.
Oh, maybe. Nobody's going to believe us, but a tree just fell down somewhere up there.
If they could hear my heart, they'd believe it.
All of a sudden you heard like...
You heard for me it stopped because I got to take this hat off. I can't even... Nothing.
Oh, that was
my
crazy.
God. I heard it was just this big crack. My heart like started pounding.
I thought at first it was deer running through because I heard like something, and then it just kept building.
Well, we saw that sign at the beginning that said to look out for them. Apparently there's a lot of tree issues here, which is something to be aware of.
Yeah, so we've been like looking up the whole time.
Hey, you're cutting me out. You're on the wrong side.
Sorry.
I can't see what it was. It just hurts.
This is secretly the Ola channel now. I've taken over.
And sooner or later, the truth will come out. It's gonna come out.
Hey. I can't tell. Do you think it fell or it just cracked? Like,
Maybe just cracked.
Which means it's gonna fall, I guess, at some point.
Yeah.
Unless it got stuck on something.
I mean, we see a lot of new trees down here.
No, absolutely. I was like, I was afraid to move it. You wanted to like make sure like where it was.
Make sure it didn't go sliding down this hill.
I couldn't tell where it was from. It was definitely over there somewhere.
All right, stay tuned to see if we make it back to the car.
Hey, it's not good. I guess we walked down further than we walked up, because from where we parked, we only walked up to get to that overlook castle. But somehow with this one, we walked down. Now we're walking back up. Why are we walking back up?
I'm over it.
She's over it. I don't blame her. You getting moss for your moss channel?
I'm soaking this in. Okay.
I told her she should start a moss channel. What do you guys think?
Our first wall that we've encountered. Do that again? Mr. Vanna White. Right?
I try.
Oh wait, Mr. Ivan White. Try and think of a male version. don't know, first thing that came to my head. Yep. Oops. So we are on the yellow trail. I think there is only a yellow trail here.
Yeah. It must have just looped because I saw yellow, but like way over. Like
so we were on an access road, now we're on a footpath.
Oh. Oh.
And like we said, lots of trees down. Lots and lots of trees.
All the branches are on top of like rock piles.
Yeah, the rock piles are a little bit interesting.
What's that? Are they seeing the snowflakes?
Probably not.
Oh my goodness, looks like that birch tree.
It's huge. We're gonna need to cut that out.
Rock. It's all rock piles. Maybe they were doing that for when they were making the rock walls?
Maybe.
Because that has to be man-made. That's not natural. What's up there? Look, it's like stacked.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure what section we just walked into.
But down tree section.
There's more trees down than standing.
Yeah, but look, some of them are marked with that blue. And we were seeing that signs for the
but even all the way down there, it's all the way down the side of the hill. There's just trees down this whole way. There's half the forest is gone.
Well, the ones marked in blue, they cut down for the ash brow.
Okay, they didn't cut down all these trees. Look, that's broken.
Well, I see cut marks.
What am I dealing with? That's a lot of down trees. A lot of rock piles, too. I don't know if this was a rock wall at one point. There's another rock wall up here, as you can see. It's like just a lot of down trees. Wow.
Looks like we got some sort of foundation wall right here. Comes down along this way.
That's still poking.
Looks like it ends about here. So looks like something may have been in this general area.
You think it was a building?
Perhaps at one point.
There's a lot of like access type roads. That could be more recent, obviously. There's a lot of trees down. Maybe they've been using that to get in there to the trees and cut them. But I was wondering if this could have been like, I don't know, a building or it's like a little parking spot.
Not sure.
Yeah, I don't know. Why would you need a retaining wall right here if you don't need it the whole rest of the way? It seems kind of strange. Let us know.
Let us know. We're almost back to the car.
I can't hear myself. So we've come to the end of the video. We hope you've enjoyed this little journey.
Yeah, a little journey.
A little journey with us. Tower was amazing, so we hope you enjoyed that. Try to get you some good views.
So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Hit all.
Not in my face.
It's very important. I gotta block you out. I gotta make sure they get it. They gotta pay attention.
Leave a comment down below, share with your family, friends, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.